Hey, what's up, you guys? Happy Friday. Tom has been off all week. He is under the weather. Had to go to the doctor. He's got some personal things going on. So, hence why we haven't had any videos all week. But I've been over here hard at it, getting things done, waiting on Tom to get back. He'll be back on Monday. We're going to be throwing in the shower doors. I just wanted to show you all kind of where we're at. And we did something really cool here, really different. We've got the shiplap and everything over here on the window wall. And this, as you can see, is right behind the toilet. That skirts down and kind of hugs that vanity. And as that comes over, that's what we ended up doing. Just a little something different. The homeowner asked if we could use the shiplap as baseboard. So we said absolutely, and we just had to fabricate a few different moldings there to get that sucker to pop and look really nice. So I want to show you. At first, we thought it was a great idea. Anybody that obviously knows about shiplap, it's that top little lip right here that I was wondering what we could possibly do, because cutting it off flat, you see the wood. So started playing around with everything. I'll make this short and sweet. This is PVC molding. Okay, the back of it is notched out, and coincidentally, that's the little scribe PVC piece. We use that a lot. And these, there you go. They are identical. So the missing piece in behind there is in fact that guy. Now what happens is when you take your full piece of shiplap, I'm going to set this right here. Sorry, you all. I am holding the camera and trying to show you. So look, I want to show you here. So it fits exact, like a champ. Boom. Problem is, see, you got a lip there on top. So what we do is we figure out where that is and put it on the table saw and rip it. Just like that. That way everything is even. Okay, and then when it's even, you get the idea. This goes on top and it actually puts a second little bevel in there. So you got this one, and then the end. Then we take it a step further down here on the floor side and we pop that down. So once you do those, that's the look you're gonna get. And it looks really good also. Because again, you don't see any gaps in that, and it just tears down really nicely. And then that, of course, skirts the floor, and it's the same thickness here as the cabinet. So it sits in behind that little beveled lip right there. But we just wanted to show you all. We might do that more times than not now. That turned out really cool, and it just goes with everything she had going already. You know, her entire house here has the wood trim. And as you know, there's only so many things that'll go with that wood trim. So, you know, it becomes a challenge when you're redoing an entire bathroom, but staying out of the rest of the house. And as you can see that all this, you know, goes around the corner. So if we change it in here, then you're seeing a white jam out here or whatever the case may be. So you got to cut it off somewhere. And she had asked, in leaving that, will that look good and can we do anything with it? So that's what we come up with. We hope you guys like it as well. I think it gives it a just really unique, slick, different type of look. But it's really cool how that came together. And then this little guy here, we just kept it going and then popped it right up underneath there. And then the floor turned out amazing. The drain turns out really good. Couldn't get any tighter with the drain. And then as usual, all the pinstripe lines, corners, everything. And that niche is just really super cool, super awesome. So we got all the brushed gold hardware that's coming in play. We got the brushed gold shower doors. We're actually fabricating this channel here that's going to cater to both of these. We're going to make that piece from scratch, and then we will end up, as that little guy comes up, he'll turn, go around, and skirt the ceiling line, come all the way down here and rest right there, and then that all picks up and kind of flows in and ties in. So we just got a little bit left. I've just been holding everything off, waiting on Tom to come back, but just wanted to fire y'all off a video, tell you happy Friday, and thanks for everybody for tuning in, and we'll see y'all back real soon. And no, we have not forgot about that slab. Anybody wondering, we're going to be working on that slab real soon. We've just had other things going on, doing the best we could do. Happy Friday. See y'all back on the next one.